Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how you can use Bank of America online banking and mobile banking and also show you what you can do with both platforms. Let's get started. So to use online banking, open up Safari. In the search bar, simply search for bankofamerica.com. And just like that, simply tap on the first link. But if you prefer mobile banking, just open the App Store and then in the search bar, search for BOFA and then simply download the Bank of America application in your mobile device. So, this guide assumes you already have a Bank of America account, and without an existing bank of account, you cannot set up online or mobile banking access. But if you haven't created an online banking account yet, open up the Bank of America application and just like that, simply tap on Get Started button you see on the home screen. Select I have account but I need to set up the online access and enter your card or account number, your SSN number, and then tap on Continue. Follow the prompt to complete your online banking registration. But if you already have the online banking access and simply want to log in, all you have to do is simply tap on Login on the home screen, type in your user ID, then enter your password. After that, log in to access your account. But if in case you forgot your ID or password, tap on Forgot User ID or Password at the bottom and then tap the appropriate option and then follow these steps to reset your login credentials. So once logged in, you can activate your credit or debit card, send money or receive money, make transaction or bills, and check account balances and statements. You can also transfer between accounts, manage card without needing cash or physical visits. These are just a few powerful features of Bank of America offers. And that is how you can use Bank of America online mobile banking app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.